Okay, so you don't need an audience to grow on YouTube. What you actually need is just one person, one viewer. In this case, in this video, that one person's you. If we make the mind shift from recording for an audience to just recording for this one person that's watching this video in this precise moment, then that can totally change how we grow on YouTube. Let me explain. If you're starting to grow on YouTube or starting your channel, you've probably watched countless videos that tell you you have to find a niche, you have to find your audience, and you have to film with your audience in mind, and you have to go viral. And all this stuff, yes, an audience is great, but the reality is that, to grow an audience, you really have to find your audience and build your audience one person at a time. So that thought process of create for your audience, create with a view to going viral, it's creating this mindset that you have to create for the masses, that you're having to create this video for a large audience if it's going to go viral. But the real way to actually grow on YouTube and to grow your channel is to actually try and connect with a person on a one-to-one basis. So I'm speaking to you right now. I know that as you watch this video, it's you and you only that's watching this video. And I need to speak to you on your level and make you feel seen and make you feel heard in this video. I need you to feel the connection that I'm speaking to you, not anyone else, just you. The more we feel like we're speaking to an audience, the more it feels like we're putting on a performance. And the more we feel like we're putting on a performance, the less authentic and personal it feels. And ironically, what that does is it actually discourages people from subscribing to your channel because they don't really feel that connection. They don't feel that you're speaking to them on a one-to-one level. So if you actually create this mind shift to say, actually, I'm just going to record this video for one person and I'm going to put it out there for one person to consume, then in reality, the more people who see that and feel like they're getting that one-to-one connection are actually going to be more engaged, more connected, and are more likely to subscribe to your channel. So before you record your next video, maybe you should think about that. Think about who is their ideal viewer, not your ideal audience, but your ideal viewer. What do they look like? What's their name? What type of personality do they have? And then you deliver that video to them, to that person. And the more people that see that video and feel like you're actually speaking to them on a one-to-one level, the more you're likely to get traction on that video, the more your channel is likely to grow. And if you can apply that across all your future videos, you're far more likely to grow and gain subscribers and grow a community on your channel than you are putting out public broadcasts to anyone who will watch it. You don't need an audience. You just need one person, one viewer that you're making these videos for. If you feel like I am connecting with you on a one-to-one level right now, then it's working. And if you do feel like I've connected to you one-to-one, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about the video and what it means to you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, and you're looking for more one-to-one videos like this, where we talk about how you can grow on YouTube with your channel, then maybe think about subscribing to the channel as well. In the meantime though, I hope you have a really good day. I hope you're having a great week, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.